Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, chrome mirror caps, floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.